welcome back to Skate Talk. I'm Inès.
And I'm Léa.
And in this series, we talk about our products, how to use them, and skate culture in general. In this episode, we will be showing you guys some of our accessories to customize your Slades and that you can find on our website, among other accessories.
So first of all, as you may know, Slades is a brand by Flanners. So some of the accessories you'll be seeing here is actually branded Flanners, but you can absolutely use them on your Slades, and you even have a larger choice of color.
Sorry.
First of all, we have the clip-off key. You actually have one clip-off key included in your Slades pack. It's the Slades key. It's slightly different aesthetically. It's different from the Flanners key, but the Flanners key comes in a wide range of colors, so you can pick your favorite colors. We even have a rainbow one. It's one of our favorites, and it allows you to unlock your system.
So the next accessory that we want to show you is the skate leash. It is very practical to carry your rolling parts around, and it's just a classic skate leash with a slip knot at the end of each side. And it is very practical because it has an extra padding to protect your shoulder from hurting when you're carrying them, which most skate leashes don't usually have. They exist in lots of different colors. We have the same colors in the skate leashes as we do in the clip-off keys. So if you want to do like a matchy-matchy game, you can. The next transportation item is the Slades buddy bag. So this is something that we've already shown you in another video, which allows you to transport your rolling parts and transform into a fanny bag to skate freely without having to worry about carrying a bag or a tote bag with you while skating.
So next we have the customization accessories. So these accessories you can purchase with your Slades in order to customize them and have a setup that looks like you. For example, we have the luminous light up wheels. So these are the wheels that have a LED inside of them. So when you're skating, the wheels are lighting up. It's quite awesome. Next, we have laces. So all the laces are made for the Slades shoe. So all the lengths are perfect for the Slades shoe. So we have several colors. We have pink, gray, white, black, purple, blue, khaki. So that allows you to customize furthermore. And lastly, we have some jump plugs for all of you roller dancers out here. We do have some fun colors. We have purple, we have pink, we have white, red, and other colors. So if you want to do like a full pink setup or a full purple setup, that's quite fun. And there you go, you can customize your Slades.
Next up, we know that all the roller skaters out there love these and will buy them even if they have 100 pairs in their wardrobes. It is our Slades socks. If you're a skater, you know that we love socks and that we always need new pair of socks. So we made the Slades edition, which I love. It's very comfortable and it's perfectly made for supporting your feet while you are skating, as well as looking good. Next up, we have our reflective fanny bag. This is just a classic fanny bag that, once again, all the roller skaters out there usually love. And it is reflective, so if you're skating at night and you want to make sure that you're seen by the cars and motorcycles and bicycles, this will be your best friend because trust me, you will not go unseen wearing this. And if you want to add a little more reflectiveness to your outfit, you can also opt for these little reflective badges that you can put either on your pants, on another bag that is not reflective, anywhere on you, basically, to make sure that you have extra visibility and safety when you're skating out there in the dark. So that's basically all the accessories that we wanted to show you guys today. Please note that this is not the only accessories that we have. We have many more on our website, so make sure to go check out the link in the description below to check out all the other things that you can use to spruce up your skate setup. Don't hesitate to leave in the comments what you'd like to see next in this series. In the meantime, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video, hit the notification bell button, and subscribe. And we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.